Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please. Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of the wife actor. The multi-talented actor Linda Majola is undoubtedly the biggest come-up story of 2021, and he's one of Mzansi's favorite rising young stars. The actor recently landed his big break on Showmax's original drama series, The Wife, and the role has catapulted his career to even greater heights. His performance always leaves viewers captivated and deserves all the love and adulation he receives. Taking to his Instagram account, he decided to let his fans in on his love life. He revealed that even dating apps have failed him when it comes to finding his future mate. He wrote, "The other day I nearly found myself hooking up with a stranger I met on Grind, just because I was hungry for emotional intimacy. No, I was not horny. Yes, I was in my right senses, and yes, I'm probably oversharing, but please don't drag me. I'm a human after all. I've honestly tried it all, not that I've thrown in the towel. But damn, these dating apps lead to false hopes. I wonder if any of the people there are looking for sincere and genuine connections, or are they all there for quick, emotionless sex? But if I'm on there looking for love, surely there must be someone else doing the same. Yes, no, maybe." Deep sigh, signaling emotional exhaustion. I used to believe that this was a queer people problem, only that I've realized that the pandemic is hitting us all. To the people who found love, what talent agency did you use, or is there some sort of ritual I should participate in? I'm honestly asking for myself and everyone else who's going through this never-ending tribulation. Hi everyone, I'm Linda. I've never been in a serious relationship. I can already imagine the people in my support group having red flags because I'm too grown up for that mess. Someone once said I should drop my standards. I don't even believe I have those. I just need you to be a sincere and honest human who got their shit together. Honestly, I don't want to frustrate myself with the pressures of finding love, but I'm hoping to go on as many dates as I can. No pressure. Meet as many men, weigh my options, and if none resonate with my aspirations, keep it moving. But I know love will find me one day. Hopefully. Shame man, Linda, this must be hard on you. Love will find you, don't worry about it. The actor recently landed a new gig. He will be hosting a new cooking reality TV show, The Wedding Chief, that will be aired on SABC1. He made the announcement on his Instagram account, and we can't wait to see him grow in 2022. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online Channel loves you. Bye, good people.